living in an attention economy. People are consuming more and more content. To break through and be relevant, content needs to have scale, velocity, and complexity. This is the content explosion, and it's in real time. Creating content strategy today means envisioning the consumption of tomorrow. It means using an integrated and extensible technology ecosystem, from creation to consumption to commerce. It means being agile and responsive. A content revolution is here, and we are enhancing it, building relevance and creating meaningful experiences. Embrace the content explosion. Capgemini.